At Hear.com, we believe better hearing changes lives. That's why when you reach out to us, you're met with more than just a service. You're met with a team that truly listens. Our hearing experts take the time to understand your struggles, your lifestyle, and what matters most to you. Next, we guide you to a detailed hearing test conducted by leading audiologists, because every ear, every story deserves personalized care. Based on your unique hearing needs, we recommend the best hearing solutions from Signia, a world-renowned leader in hearing technology. And because we believe hearing care should be accessible for everyone, we offer 0% cost EMIs without ever compromising on quality. With thousands of trusted partner clinics across India and some good news. There's one near you. Just click on the button and book a trial in your area.